all the matter. Street Towns of Wazobia TV. Oh, she feel like back there. Why I say? I tell you, I say I can't groove Abuja this time. I won't make sure say yes, eh? I carry message of Abuja Inter TV. You know that kind of thing now. Okay, come on here now. They spoil this program. Yeah, person this year. Like as I enter Google ladder and I say, this mama they sell bread, and this mama they run they sell bread. You pursue the mama, they run they sell bread. You pursue the mama. All right, so the matter was over. As I say, you know, the woman she don't know how to follow for back home. The matter don't drop now. Be say whether most people they like OJOFREE. Nigerians they like OJOFREE well. So I want to ask you whether you like OJOFREE or not. If you not like her, let me know if you like her or not. What do they cost? OJOFREE now when we say yes, so they like free things. They like me they dash you something.
Which type of tea?
If they dash you something, like they like me they dash you something.
Which type of tea you want me them they dash me?
Anything, if na biro, anything.
I want me them dash me big. Because I dey go school well.
They go school well.
Yes. My destination na school. No be Agboru.
No be Agboru. What you call it do for park?
I can't check my brother.
Go check your brother. Then when you check out, where you go?
I dey go my mother's house.
So you know they like free things?
If you give me free things, we get we no like free things for this town. You know, say everywhere they tight.
But you know, so you're free they kill sometimes.
At a time, they say nothing go by nothing unless something come by something.
Back that's all no matter if it wash me well, this guy no balance at all. This guy no balance at all. All right, that's all the matter. Okay, not run no. Just relax.
I know they're interested.
You must get interested though.
Why?
You must get interested though.
The video was also with the quarrel.
Me, I not saying no.
The video is a quarrel.
You must get interested though. And I like the way that you
talk. You know good.
The time when you talk now.
I would not talk about
talk.
I say,
okay, they like OJOFREE. They like free thing.
I don't like free thing.
Why?
This is what they do no good.
Why not like free thing? Just talk now.
He no good. You know my way like
why you not like free thing? No, they taste like the tongue. Follow him.
Don't make sense now.
You know you like free thing. Why do you like free thing?
You know good now. Woof the porch.
I woof the porch. You know the truth be that. So they give like 1 million and dash. You know go like him.
I will like him. You know where the money come from?
You don't know where the money come from. No, they just dash you freely.
No, who go dash you 1 million? What do you work for them?
They must work for the 1 million.
Yes, now I have to suffer. You get.
You have to suffer.
Yeah, that's how it look like. Even the Bible talk him.
As you dey now, come. Oga come. As you dey now, how much you want?
I don't want them.
All right, so the matter was Wazobia. Make it there. All right, see my people here. How far?
I do.
That is now.
Fine.
Whether. When I like OJOFREE.
I don't like it.
They like OJOFREE. They like free thing.
I don't like it.
If they dash you something free, they like it.
I'll collect now.
What of you, guy?
Me, I'm a Christian. I love a Muslim.
I know, you know me. I know they interview only Christian, only Muslim or Christian. Now, generally, I interview.
Okay.
So, no, I don't talk to whether I be Muslim or Christian for years. Because everybody now want. So, I
see whether they like
free things.
No.
Why?
I know just like her.
No, me.
That's my policy. I know even they like her.
They like free things. So, you want to make everything they get where you pay for it.
Now, so now.
Why?
That is my policy.
That's your policy.
Yes.
You get policy. You don't say if I'm in my come here now, you change your policy.
How?
If I'm in my carry gun for your face,
if I'm no. If I did my right, so and I always do my right.
You always do your right. I sit down the way you sit down, not in the right side.
Now so now.
Make it that's all the matter. Guy, they like free thing.
You
They like free thing. Talk now, show about this package. Baba Soro. Baba Beji.
Who don't like free to some people?
You like free thing?
I like mana.
You like free thing?
Yes, now.
So if I give you 1 million, I go collect.
Sharp.
You go collect and sharp. See how long truth. All right, wait till you like.
Tell them say hungry day for this country.
I see say you hungry.
No, Samba.
You see him body go no say hungry.
Anybody wey say you no do well, make them come out and for there. Tell them say the person wey talk from Benue State. Both the way they chop our money. Make them tell them say poor man wey dey for ground, make them bring the money out, make them enjoy. I be poor man now.
You not be poor man now.
See what he wear, see what I wear. When they talk, tell the man where our country say make this our. tell her that. Say somebody from Benue they tell her that. Say in they make people they die innocent.
People they die innocent.
Yes.
How many people don't die for your side?
People wey die, my father die follow am. Yes, because food no dey. And Agbe dey kill us.
Agbe dey kill.
Yes.
Your honors.
Tell am say they kill us too much. E no good though.
99.5.
How far now?
No, bye,
You dey like free tea?
Wait. I like her.
Oga come, you dey like free tea?
They like free tea.
I don't like anything, but I don't like anything.
If they give you 1.5 million,
I don't even need that money. The money how many people they should give her?
The one where say Baba they bring, who they share them? The whole money say Baba recover from the government, where you dey?
they see they keep am for us now.
We don't go share them.
They
Who
keep
dey where
am,
they go keep
they will
am?
still share am.
I beg more than back where.
So you don't collect your own.
Why you dey run?
Say Baba, say come. Tell her say this seller, you don't see anything chop. This seller now. See, people no travel, motor no move, fuel no dey, people don't finish for this country.
So wait. Now here they take motor to go Lagos.
Yeah, you know never know Lagos is where it is.
No.
You never know Lagos.
That's small.
Yeah, Buzu. Na Buzu it be complete Buzu. And
Back it there, why I say? How far now? How far are you there?
ABUJA now, sit them there.
Hungry day for Salah, oh.
Oh, bro.
I don't want to talk.
this guy.
Hungry day for Salah, oh.
The problem what we have now, this man will never load one motor. Hungry day.
No, she's not never.
We not able to load one motor for whole sallah.
Make one person talk. So
For
that they go
a
dey
whole
on their way.
sallah.
A whole
We
Salah.
can't able to load one motor when they go Lagos.
A whole Salah.
A whole sallah. Now 6 passenger will get.
Why do they celebrate? How they
But
travel?
last year,
How they trade
during the
travel?
former president, by this time I don't count like 10,000 in my pocket. My pocket don't rise like this. But now, this year, shishi,
pocket
na
don't
paper there. Yeah, paper. 1 naira no day. That's why I stand here. I suppose to don't go out. Go.
He good well. Me, wallahi, Buhari time, ba, he good for my place. I know they have.
All right, if they watch me like,
Money here. But where they make motor,
nothing go kill.
I swear.
Correct guy. So, see,
May go release money. May release money.
Watch it, oh my God! See, now Wazobia I'm gonna watch it. Oh, yeah.
wait. You dey like free tea?
My guy, nobody where they like free team. They like free team. I'm a man of free man. I love Wazobia FM. I agree with what.
Wait, and I want to ask
Yes.
you, rush go another one. You dey like free tea, Abi?
Yes.
You dey like free tea?
Yes.
You know, you dey like OJOFREE?
OJOFREE? No, I don't like that one. That is not my portion.
That is not your portion.
Yes.
But you say they like free tea.
Free thing like if you love me, give me something to take. I will collect it. Anything like.
Let me say you dey like OJOFREE.
No, OJOFREE, that one is a can. This guy dey funny. He wants to Latin for
So
me.
this motor never lose since, Abi?
Yes.
Now this motor they look.
Na Buhari motor where they take the
All of them empty.
Empty.
Good afternoon, sir. Wazobia TV. Now I want a simple question.
Yeah.
You dey like free something free OJOFREE? You dey like OJOFREE?
OJOFREE like how?
You maybe one motor come and see one carry freely to Lagos.
That's what we want now. If Nigeria can totally even everything like that, is
So you dey like OJOFREE?
well, why not?
You dey like OJOFREE, Abi?
I don't like him.
You dey like am? They give 1.5 million now free, go collect am.
Not to establish myself, start business.
Sharp.
Sharp, yeah.
Back there, still on the matter. I tell you, most Nigerians they like OJOFREE. Why Nigerians like OJOFREE like this? It's too much. No, I don't like her. OJOFREE. Back there, madam, how far now?
Fine. Everything
Fine.
is okay. Everything is okay, ba.
How long you don't sell for here? No market.
It don't take better.
If market not the why you not close down?
No, market today. Market today.
Market not the no market.
They leave am. Market today. Market today.
I bet me market do. I know they like all this
Market
thing.
today.
Madam, come out, not go fall inside pot too. Say market not the. Market not the boy meat.
Market today, my daughter.
Market not the.
You don't finish.
I don't finish now. She say market day no wahala. Wetin I want to talk for me. How far you dey?
We thank God.
How family now?
We are fine.
You dey like OJOFREE? Anything OJOFREE?
You got to explain am for me, the one when I understand.
Wait, OJOFREE na something when be say yes. You dey dash you free.
Okay. Ha!
You dey like am?
Well now. I don't know go like am now.
You dey dash you money, you go collect am.
As money no dey now, change the day.
If person just come now, just give 2.5 million, you go collect am.
I go ask now for waiting. If he explain am for me very well that the one as I will collect. But if you no explain when now, I go say abeg. Now the head na be the important thing. Carry go.
I don't know whether if you collect another thing go come. The way I dey see you go like OJOFREE where just the phone.
No.
No. If I give free lipstick now, you no collect am.
Free what? Lipstick.
Yeah, you no collect am.
No. I no be omonge like that now. I be old woman, so I need the rub.
You see me
when I rub. You see me when I rub lipstick.
Everywhere see the.
I need the rub. No, I can't rub that one now.
You can't rub lipstick.
No.
Make it there. Now, madam, you dey like OJOFREE?
I don't like you.
You dey like OJOFREE?
I don't like.
If they dash you 1.5 million, I go collect it.
I go ask how the money take come.
You don't need to ask me, they just give.
No, God forbid. I be thief.
No. Person
The better side go buy gun, go Kene Road, go stand.
No, one person just come as this man just eat him food finish now. You give say, madam, take 2.5 million at the go.
It's too much.
You go collect. Okay, you go collect.
I can collect.
You go collect.
If I collect, I go pray for it.
If you collect, you go pray for it.
Yes.
All right, if you watch me live on Wazobia TV, my name is MC Shaggy. A straight here and show, you know that kind of thing now. And I said that matter. No, wait, I want to show for the. And like this, I want to wrap the show up. You say what?
This one, as you can see me now, as a transporter, see my motor here. I bring a car here because on salary, other salary would they pass. Would they walk go, we go increase the price, we go walk. But this salary now, we lose passenger. What did they happen? Why can't be so?
And me, the house, I've been amigo there.
They ask you now, never did what did happen? I tell you.
Best way they do salary, I ain't go take travel.
Do salary, wallahi, no passenger.
Best way they do salary, best way they do celebration. They celebrate Etamoto.
Abba, this way they talk now. You are today now. Go to your village, go do salad. You know, be Christian.
That's why they do celebration. You see, I say the Wakana, and I want to call to say the
before when they do salad, before they do salad, they carry ram, carry cow, carry the travel. But this time, this period, see motor line up. No passenger, no money. No travel. Now tell you, this motor now be here now for 1 week now.
And you want to stay 1 week now?
No passenger, we not see anybody.
Now you want to stay 1 week? This motor say, like say not be your motor say. Nana company. I know whether I be Nana. Well, leave that thing. I beg. Show door close. I beg. Show door close. Yes, sir. Okay. Show door close.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.